Hi, this is Anne. Today I'm gonna paint this old drawer. So I've got this chalkpaint nade, and I've got this lighter color of fired earth. I don't know what's this color, but you can see it's just this, one color lighter. So I'm just gonna paint my whole drawer with that, and I've got this piece of, I think it's an old piece of skirting around your floor that somebody just made the pattern. So I'm going to put that there. They've already got it. It's already painted, or it was white, so I just distressed it a little bit. And then I'm going to take my glue gun and I'm going to fill that little strip there. I want to put it in the side here because I'm going to use this to put a loose painting or something in that it doesn't slide out. And that's all I'm going to do. So you can just watch me. I'm going to paint and speed it up, and then I'll see you when I've finished the paint. So I'm just going to fill this little strip here up with my glue gun and let it dry, and then just paint it white. So you can see, you can just unmold it. It takes very easy out of the mold, and then you can just snip off all these extra little bit of strings, and I'm just going to glue it in this inside of this drawer like that, so that if I place my this is just a support board, if I place something in here, I'm going to put it down on an angle so that it doesn't fall over, and then this will keep it from going out of the frame or out of the drawer. So I'm just going to make another one because I want to fill that piece up there, and then I will just paint it white and glue it with my Gorilla Glue inside. So I've just snipped that off there that it can fit inside here, and I already started painting it white, you can see there. So I'm just going to glue it down there. I'm just going to use my wood glue, my Gorilla wood glue, and I'm just going to put it about a ½ centimeter to the inside and glue it in there. Okay, I just want to make a hole there, and just want to put this knob there if I maybe want to hang something up there. So I've already took the measurements, and I've roughly got the middle of these, so I'm just going to put something underneath. So I'm just going to drill a hole there. If you want to do this, do it beforehand. That's better. I decided that the last moment I want something in there. So now I'm just going to screw in this. So I'm just going to put this through here from the back. There you go. Now the only thing left that I can do is I can take my cold glue and I can glue that on there, and then I think I'm finished. And you can put a handle on top if you like. I'm not going to do that at the moment. So I'm just going to put some glue at the back of this here. I'm just going to use my Gorilla Gold glue. And I'm just going to press it down there, and I'm just going to quickly let that dry.